I'm normally a guy who likes big old laptops, big fat, I like big notebooks, and I'm not even gonna lie about it. And so today is a little bit of a departure from that because we're taking a look at the One Netbook One GX. One. Although the one isn't on there, I thought it was a One GX1, but this just says the One GX. This is a, tiny portable netbook type thing in the vein of netbooks that have stopped existing largely. Although we have taken a look at a lot of netbook-like devices from GPD. Linus has done that. But today, this is from One Netbook. I think this is the first product from them that we're taking a look at, and it's geared towards gaming, I think, because it's got these controller doohickeys that basically makes it look like a Switch. So like GPD has some models with like controls built onto the actual product itself. This one has like Nintendo Switch style. I'm trying to do the sound that they make when they go on. Let's take a look at it. Let's open it up. Do people come with knives? This is a kind of cool box. Light reflecting? You ever seen that before, David?
Absolutely have.
Oh, it's blue. Oh God, please, okay, thank you. Oh, I remember now. I forgot why we were doing this thing. This was interesting to me because it looks like Alienware Area 51 back. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Is there more? Instructions? Do I need instructions? Yeah, okay, I'll figure all that out. What's this though? Charger. Oh, the USB-C cable for charging has braiding on it. That's nice. There it is. And a fairly sizable wall wart, although it's for a laptop, I guess, so. This thing is so cute. It's just it's like chonky. It's like perfectly chonky. Why do I feel good just holding it? Oh, prototype. So don't go thinking this is like some crazy polished thing. I won't get upset if some things are like a little bit not polished all the way. What do we got here? We got some decent I/O. This is, it looks like a micro HDMI out, 2 USB Type-C ports, 1 USB 3.0 Type-A, and a headphone jack. Thank you. And a SIM card slot, plus TF. Is that flash storage as well?
TF is micro SD.
Micro SD, right. So you can expand your internal storage as well. Yep. Okay, let's open it up. It's so tiny that it can't handle. Okay. Could I type on this thing? I'm actually surprised at how naturally my fingers rest on the home roll with a keyboard this small. And wow, they even managed to include a function row and extra key, like a 2-row thick function row. Really, Apple really has no excuse for not including function keys on the iPad Magic Keyboard. There just wasn't room. Look at this. There's always room. All right, before we get into Windows and start actually playing around with this thing, I gotta tell you about our sponsor, Vessi's new weekend shoe. It's got a new style, but retains all their great features. It's waterproof, sandproof, and slush-proof. It's got everyday style, so it can fit almost any occasion you're dressing for, and it's 100% vegan, so no animal byproducts have been used in this thing. Go ahead and click the link below to reserve your pair for just $5. Hey, yeah, it's got a fan, eh? You can hear that? Can I do this?
Oh.
It's got this little like mouse nipple thing. Like it's kind of like the ThinkPad nipple, but it's not soft, it's hard. Yes, you can tap to click, but it's also got these buttons, so I guess I'll just use those instead. Let's see what configuration we have here. Let's go to the About Your PC. So that's the interesting thing. It's got a trackpad, but I don't, as far as I know, there's no way to scroll. So I have to like use this to scroll? Or arrow keys? Nope, that's not working. Okay, we got an Intel Core i5-10210Y, which I believe is a Comet Lake part at 1 gigahertz with a boost. Well, it says 1.3 gigahertz. Maybe that's a customization that One Netbook made. And we're using integrated graphics. So this is like, it's a gaming device, but we're using integrated graphics from a Comet Lake Y Core i5, so it remains to be seen how well that's gonna perform. We've got 16 gigs of RAM, and I believe there's 512 gigs of storage, if I remember from seeing this thing. So that's not bad. That's not bad specs. I believe it is $1,200 US. So that's not cheap if you wanna, but I mean, you know, you're paying for a premium to get like basically a mini tiny Alienware Area 51M. Or is it? We'll have to see. We gotta play some games. What, Andy?
So if you press FN and with the thing, you can scroll.
Oh, thanks, Andy. Function and do that. That's how you scroll. So 16 gigs of RAM. Why would you need 16 gigs of RAM in a device like this? I guess if you connect a mouse and stuff, you could actually use this for like real work because a Core i5, it's 4 cores, 8 threads, so you can actually get some stuff done potentially. You know what, I just wanna hop right into the games. You can probably run Rocket League, that's for sure.
Yeah.
I gotta say, typing on this thing is a little better than I expected because it's, you know, I expected it to be bad because it's so small, but like the keys feel kind of nice. The one thing that's annoying me right now is the fact that the shift key on the left is normal size, and due to size constraints, the shift key over here is super, super tiny. So by instinct, I wanna press that shift key, but it's like, no, I'm pressing the arrow key and the enter key at the same time. I can say now confidently that if I was getting if I wanted like a tiny compact work machine, it wouldn't look like this, just because this keyboard's so tiny. I mean, like maybe you can get one of these and then get a separate keyboard, but that kind of defeats the purpose of having, like you might as well just use your phone or something, you know? Like, I don't know. But overall, the working situation doesn't look promising with this. Hey, Steam, where'd you go? Library, okay, Rocket League. I'm gonna do Rocket League. Rocket League, install. While I'm waiting for Rocket League to download, let's look at the controllers. So we've got some specs on the back. We've got Bluetooth 4.0, 2.4 gigahertz. It's got an independent vibrator, so that's good for all those independent people who don't need other people to help them use. And it's got an ALPS Japanese rocker. Rock on, dude. Woo. Okay. Interesting. They feel really light. And wow, those buttons. I will say they're definitely more ergonomic than the Switch controllers. I can't say that the button quality is the same. So like Switch, you just kind of like slide on from the top. But this has, you have to kind of like hook these little doohickeys in there. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh man, okay, here we go. Controller, so it looks like you kind of like put it up and then lock it in. All right. Oof. Hello? Oh, I think I got it somehow. So, as I said, the controllers are ergonomic. They feel good in the hand, even if they do feel a bit cheap. I think it said that I'm not actually connected to controllers. So I slid them on. Oh, power. So do I hold that? Add Bluetooth device, Bluetooth. Got a lot of unknown devices. Ah, what? I'm connected. Wait, what? So it detects it as an Xbox 360 controller. Here we go, boys. Finally. Let's play some games. I'm going to say, you know what? We're gonna challenge it, and we're gonna go at 1920 by 1080.
Oh boy.
Yep, we're gonna see if you can handle it. It has the performance numbers up already, and we are 14 FPS in the menu. Okay, we'll do 768, fine. And now we're up to 22 in the menu, but that's still not great, and it looks horrible. We are getting 20 frames per second? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. Okay, we're at 768 5:3 now. That's a native aspect ratio. Texture detail. Let's put that all on performance. I don't even know what refresh rate this display is. This is pretty bad. But it's a lot smoother now. I also think that there is latency from the controllers. Wow. I saved it. Okay, press. It's like hard for me to play this game, and that should not be the case because I'm really good at it. Let's go 1024 68, which is 4:3. Let's get rid of occlusion. Let's get rid of depth of field, bloom, light shaft, lens flares, dynamic shadows, motion blur. Okay, let's see. We're basically at like the lowest quality graphics settings right now. Okay, so that's a lot smoother. I'm getting 45 FPS. That's not bad at all. Can I fly? Oh, no. Not with this latency. So maybe my gaming experience with this thing didn't blow me out of the water, but at the very least, I could give them props for making like a miniature version of the Alienware Area 51M. Like, that's kind of cool. I mean, copyright potential infringement aside, in terms of practicality, it's hard to recommend. I mean, the thing has a quad-core 8-thread CPU, so it might be good if you like really need a netbook for doing work on the go. I don't know what the market is for that. I should mention that there is a version of this with 8 gigs of RAM instead of 16 and 256 gig of storage instead of 512, and with just Wi-Fi instead of cellular, but it's $950. In my experience using it as an actual laptop, it didn't seem to chug at all. The gaming is an issue. Rocket League is a game that should be fairly easy to run, and we are running on integrated graphics. The bigger problem than the graphics is more the latency from the Bluetooth controllers. And I don't know whether they can fix that in the next version. One netbook says that there is another version coming out this fall that's gonna have Intel Tiger Lake mobile processors, because Intel is supposed to be announcing those in the next few weeks here, or we think they are anyways, they've announced events. So maybe by that time, the next version of this will have a little bit more polish, but for now, I think it's a nice little curiosity, but I think I'm gonna stick with my Switch. And I hope you stick with Short Circuit and watch another video, because there's lots of them, and if we have a good time too. Would you guys say that they should subscribe?
Yeah!
And if you're looking for another video to watch, maybe check out the GPD Win Max on LTT, the thing similar to this that Linus reviewed, because I don't know, he seemed to like it, right?
Yeah.